One of my favorite things for composting is keeping your egg cartons and using them for your compost. But there is one tiny thing to remember. So I like to encourage you to remember that with the egg cartons, which are awesome because they put carbon into your compost, and of course carbon is what you need for healthy plants. It makes them strong and vibrant. But when you save your egg cartons, of course they have to be the paper ones, not plastic. But also, I always take the top piece and I actually get rid of that. I burn it in our fireplace because it has ink on it. And sometimes these inks have heavy metals in them, and you don't want that to go into your composter and then into your garden because, you know, eventually you're eating that and the heavy metals will be in the soil. So I just use the bottom half of the egg carton. It's free of ink and it's awesome for your compost. And you have a great day. Don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nana the Glam Gardener.